Hi, this is Chloe, and today I'm going to show you how to do the Rainbow Loom Starburst Bracelet. Now you can do as many colors as long as they fit together, but you can only do 6 colors, unfortunately. I did 2 colors, 4 colors, another 4 color one. I did Rainbow Starburst, as you can see right there. And then I did a 2 color one, a rainbow one with black outside, and a Rainbow Starburst purple outside one. Today I'm going to do a pink perimeter, so like the yellow's perimeter on this one, and then with Rainbow Starburst on the inside. To get started, you will want to have a V right here, a diagonal line. And then you're gonna put this next rubber band right on the top of that one going straight. Now you are gonna do this pattern all the way to the top, just going straight up right there to here, but don't go right here. Stop right here and do a diagonal right there. Now you're just gonna go up, 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 up until the end. Now right here, you're going to do a diagonal from here to there. That's what it's going to look like. And now you're going to do the exact same thing just on the other side. So you're going to make a V, and then you're going to go straight up the loom until the end. But stop here and do the diagonal just like we did on the other side. And then you're going to do this pattern until the end. Then right here, you're just going to do a diagonal, so it looks like a upside down V, sort of. And then this is how it's going to look at the end. Before we start doing the starburst, you will want to push the rubber bands down that are on the perimeter. So you're just going to push it down like this. You can do it with your hook or your finger, it doesn't really matter how you do it. Sorry if you can't see me pushing down on this side, it's kind of hard. Okay. Now that we are done pushing down the perimeter, it'll look like this. So it's on the bottom latch right here, very bottom. And now we're going to start putting the starburst down with rubber bands. So if you're going to do the exact bracelet like me, you're going to start with red right here, and you're going to go up to a diagonal. That'll be the same for every bracelet, but you can do whatever color you want to rubber band, but you do want to start on this peg right above the perimeter line. Then you're going to get your next color and do it right on the perimeter and push it down. And when you do want to push it down because you will have 6 rubber bands on the middle rubber band, peg right here. So if you get your next rubber band and put it right on this one so it is directly up and down. And then you're going to get your next color, which my next color is green. And you're going to put it exactly as an angle right there. Then get your next color, put it from the middle peg up to this diagonal line right here. And then you want to put the next rubber band on the middle peg up to this peg right here. The next thing you want to do is you're just going to do the starburst formation all the way up to the top till you get to this peg, and then you're going to stop. So your next rubber band is going to go right there like we did before, and you do want to start right here, not right here, not right here. If you start right here and you do the starburst all the way around here, then there's going to be an open space right here, and when you take it off, the bracelet will all fall apart. You're going to get your next rubber band and put it right there. Then get your next rubber band so it's straight up and down, just like your first one, and put it right there. Now get your next rubber band, and you're going to put it to a diagonal line right there on the middle peg and push it down. And then you're going to get your next rubber band and put it on the middle to a diagonal up line and push it down. You're going to get your final rubber band and you're going to put it right there and push it down. Now I'll show you how to do the starburst formation one more time, but then I'm going to fast forward. So you're going to grab your first rubber band, which mine is red, and you're going to put it to a diagonal line right there and push it down. You're going to get your next color, put it to a diagonal down line and push it down. You're going to get your next color, which mine is yellow. You're going to put it from here to there so it's a straight up and down line. And you're going to get your next color, which mine is green, and then you're going to put it right here so it's a diagonal line and push it down. And you're going to grab your next color, which mine is blue, and you're going to put it right there and push it down. You're going to get your final rubber band, and then you're going to put it right on the middle peg up and push it down. And you're going to do that all the way to the end until it's to this middle peg, down peg right there. And then get your final rubber band, put it a straight up and down line and push it down. Now that we are done putting down the rubber bands for the starburst, we are going to do the cap bands. For the cap bands, you want to make an 8, so you're going to twist it, and then you're going to fold it in half so it makes a double circle, like you're doing a ponytail in your hair. And then you're going to put it down there like a cap band. So it looks like that. Now you're going to do that on each middle of the starburst all the way down, but you're not going to do it on this end pin right here. So you're going to make an 8, fold it in half, stretch it so it's a double circle, and put it on the middle starburst and push it down. Now, you're not going to do it here. You're only going to do it on the middle starburst. So I'll show you this 2 more times and then I'm going to fast forward. You make an 8, you fold it in half, stretch it out, and put it on the middle band right there and push it down. Make an 8, you fold it in half, stretch it out, and put it right on the middle band right there and push it down. Now I'm going to fast forward. Now that we are done doing the cap bands, it should look like this. So now that we're done laying the rubber bands and putting the cap bands on, we're going to start looping. So we are going to turn this around, and you're going to take your hook, you're going to go under these 2 pink rubber bands, grab the purple one, and bring it up and hook it on the forward pin. Then this part can get a little tricky. You want to go under the 2 pink rubber bands. You're going to grab your top rubber band, in this case ours is blue, and hook it on to the peg. And then you're going to go under, get your top rubber band, in this case is green, and hook it on the next pin. And to know that you got the right rubber band if you're doing all same colors in Starburst is that, see how it's like folded over the purple and pink bands. You're going to go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the top rubber band, the yellow one, bring it around and put it on the forward peg. You're going to go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the orange rubber band, and hook it on to the forward pin. You're going to go under 2 pink rubber bands, grab the last rubber band, which this part should be easy because there's only 1 rubber band under there. Now we're going to do this all the way to the end. So you're going to go under this yellow one right here, grab the purple rubber band, and hook it right there. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, and grab the top rubber band, and hook it on the forward pin. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, get the top rubber band, and hook it forward. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, get the top rubber band, and hook it forward. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, get the top rubber band, and hook it forward, and grab the last rubber band, the red rubber band, and hook it forward. Now I'll show you this one more time, then I'm going to fast forward. So you're going to grab the 1 purple rubber band, and you're going to put it forward, go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the top rubber band, and hook it forward. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the top rubber band, and hook it forward. Go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the top rubber band, and hook it forward. Again, you're going to go under the 2 pink rubber bands, grab the orange rubber band, which is our top rubber band, and hook it forward. And then grab the last red rubber band and hook it forward. Now you're going to do this all the way to the end until you get to this pin right here. And you grab the top or bottom rubber band and hook it forward. This is how it should look when it's done. Now that we're done looping the starburst, we are going to start looping the perimeter. Now, you're going to go under these 2 capped pink rubber bands. Don't get the bottom rubber band, but get the second bottom rubber band. And to know that you got the right rubber band is it will hook right here. You can see those 2 hooks right there. And loop it to this diagonal one right there. Now you're going to go under all of them and grab the very bottom rubber band, unloop it forward, and you're going to grab the very bottom rubber band, loop it forward, grab the very bottom rubber band, and loop it forward, and grab the very bottom rubber band, and loop it forward. And you're going to do this all the way to the end. Now right here, you're going to grab the very bottom rubber band, like always, and loop it to, the diagonal band right there. Now we're going to go do that to the other side. you're going to go under these two capped rubber bands and grab the very bottom rubber band and hook it forward. And like I said on the other side, you will know if it's the right rubber band because you can see it looped right there. Now you're going to go under all the bottom rubber band and grab the very bottom rubber band and loop it forward. Go under all the rubber bands, grab the very bottom rubber band and loop it forward. Go under all the rubber bands, get the very bottom rubber band and loop it forward. Go under all the rubber bands, grab the very bottom rubber band and loop it forward. And you're going to do this all the way to the end and the diagonal. Now right here, you're going to grab the very bottom rubber band and loop it to your diagonal. Now that we're done looping, we are almost done with the bracelet. You're going to grab your perimeter color rubber band, which mine is pink. And then this part can get a little tricky. You're going to put your hook in this hook right here. And you can see that it has all the rubber bands on it. You're going to grab that pink rubber band, hook it through, and get the other rubber band on it, and hook it up. And now you are ready to take off your rubber band bracelet. That's how it will look like. Looks pretty cool. Now it is time to make the extension. So we're going to just set our rubber band bracelet over there. And you're going to make your extension. Make sure to turn your template around. And you're going to put as many rubber bands as you need. I put 6. But throughout this journey of rubber band bracelets, you will learn your wrist size. Once you're done doing that, you can put your, see this, the circle right here, 2 rubber bands. You're going to pull that out, put that right there, and hook it back. And you're going to turn your hook if it's not turned all the way around. And you're just going to hook like a hook it, grab the very bottom rubber band, and hook it forward. Going to grab the very bottom rubber band and hook it forward. Just like a single stitch, all the way down to until the bottom. Now this last one can get a little tricky at some points. And when you're done stitching, you're going to grab your C-clip. You're going to take this pink rubber band right there and hook it right there. And hook the C-clip right on there. Make sure it has the 2 rubber bands on it, else it'll all fall apart. This extension will fall apart. Now you are ready to take your rubber band bracelet off. And as you can see, it's not quite done yet. You're gonna stick your finger in there and then take it off. Make sure you stick your finger in there because if you let it go, the bracelet will completely fall apart. So make sure you got a good tight grip. Put your 2 fingers in there. Grab the other side right here. Stretch it out. Put the C-clip right in there. Make sure it has the 2. And there you have your Rainbow Loom Starburst Bracelet.